It's Tuesday, December 22nd. Today you are going to keep working on your research. So you need to have at least 24 note cards from 4 sources by the end of this hour to be on track. Your note cards are linked here, and your crap test sheet is here that you'll use for any sources that aren't from a database so that you can check for credibility. Remember that you should be using the MLA citation tool as you research so that you can cite all of your sources. Don't wait until the end. If you wait until the end and you can't find that source again, then you won't be able to cite it and you won't be able to use those note cards. Remember, as you research, you're looking for the history, the application, and the implication. Make sure that you have about an even amount of each part so that when you go to write your paper and your presentation, you have enough information for each section of your speech and paper. The research project checklist is over here. Please make sure that you're filling that out as you go so that you know that you are on track and that you have everything that you need done. 30 research note cards will be due tomorrow by the end of the hour. Please let me know if you have any questions. Otherwise, have a great day.